happened, Demi? Well, my blow stopped and the orangutans are really sad because the habitat's getting cut down. You know what? Do you want to adopt an orangutan? I get a pet. No, you don't get an orangutan pet, but you raise money for orangutans to help them be safe. Oh, okay. Let's go. Yeah.
A few weeks later.
I finally have enough money. Mom! Yeah, Emmy? I have enough money for an orangutan. That's amazing. Let's go. Let's go.
Two of us.
Chop, chop.
Hello, would you like to adopt an animal?
I want an orangutan, please.
Okay, here's your certificate. Wait.
Here's your money.
Yeah, thank you. Here's your certificate.
Adopt an animal to make them unstoppable.